Your next car could be the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. See how refined and comfortable a bold, muscular work machine can be. Drive the all-new Silverado.